We hit the club, niggas cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows I cleans it all. She
Take it out, yo. I will. And if I got been now, I will do it now. Take it out with me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have a wig from Remy Forte. I have their 26-inch here. I believe it's Body Wave, but super cute. I was super excited to try this out. So let's get straight into it. This is another pre-everything wig. These are my favorite types of units. Perfect for somebody who is not the best at wigs like myself. So I'm just trying the wig on to see, what's going on with it before I actually try to install it. I will be adding makeup to the lace to give a better color match, but pretty much the lace looked really good straight out of the packaging. You can definitely kind of bleach the knots a little bit. You can't really see it here, but on the actual unit, like a close-up, I could see a lot of the knots, even though the wig seemed to be plucked. It didn't really seem to be bleached, so that is something that you might have to do. But I opted not to bleach my knots. I just added makeup to it, and it still blended perfectly. So I'm just installing with a little bit of lace glue. Well, lace, like spray. Super easy and simple, and the wig looks amazing. Honestly, I'm not the best at installing my wig, so I was super surprised at how well this wig was blending with just blending in general. Super nice, very easy, very beginner friendly. Like I just said, I'm not the best at wigs, and this was coming out way better than I thought. I also want to talk to you guys about the fit of this unit. Now, I have a kind of a unique head size and shape. I have a lower hairline and a larger head, so a lot of wigs don't fit my head very well, but this wig fit perfectly. It fit around all of my edges as well as just my head in general, so I really love that. I think that made for a better install for me, so it's definitely big head friendly and low hairline friendly. Now I'm just going to continue on to styling the actual hair. So the wig itself is constructed really nicely, but the actual hair was also really nice. So I did just blow dry it because I want to add curls, and it was kind of a body wave type of unit, so I wanted to get those waves out of the wig before I started my curls. So I'm spraying it with a little bit of hairspray, and then I'm using this blow dryer. What is it called? I don't know. I can't remember what these are called, but the blow dryer, the brush blow dryer, and I'm just kind of working my way through the wig. It's 26 inches, so there's a lot of hair to work with, so I just wanted to use something that was a little bit easier. So I just blow dried the hair, and it actually did really well with the blow dryer. I think you could actually try and do a blowout with this hair, and it would look really nice. But for now, we're just doing a normal blow dry, and then I will be following up with some curls with my curling iron. But this hair, it had a couple of flyaways, but nothing major. It still looked really good. This is usually the test for me with the hair that I get. A lot of times once I use a blow dryer on the unit, even if I haven't washed it, you will start to see all of those little flyaways and split ends. But this hair really held up to the blow dryer, and I was glad. So it looked really nice. The fit is good as well. Definitely something that you could get and install yourself. Very beginner friendly, very long and full. So check them out down below. I have all of the links if you're interested in checking out Remy Forte, or if you want to purchase this unit. But I did end up cutting just a few layers, like face framing layers in the front, because the wig is so long, I wanted to give it a little more character. And then I'm just going to add my curls in like normal. So the curls held very well as well. All in all, the hair was pretty good, and I love the color. It is more of a natural color, but it's leaning more so toward like a natural black. So definitely check them out. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.
Shots that you want, sauce in the low. She wasn't on a road, now she want on a runner. You see the dark skin girls to the light skin crews. Probably to you, but she the light skin girl and the light skin crew. Can't know what to do, I'm still saying this bitch knows like crazy Lord. She gets down just like crazy Lord. Round the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow. Get this away. Every time, like that. When she gets away, that is how it goes. That is how it goes. So glad that she gets away. If this what she wanna be, God, she can have it away. Oh no, no, no. Yeah, yeah. No, baby, oh, you can have it your way. We hit the club and it's cops full of jealous. We in the back.